What's up guys, welcome back to the next video in learning Python. My name is QTSDan and you guys are watching my channel Korawood. Okay, so in the previous video we have seen my score and we have seen how to put the float and how to put an int and how to put a string. So if you guys gonna see that if my score is 50, then you're gonna see this one because here we do comparison here. Now we're gonna come here and we're gonna complete this one and we're gonna put some sort of if else, because if is not complete until you guys gonna put an else. So and keep in mind, if you guys want to put a if, so if you are gonna put a boolean, some sort of boolean, and after the boolean you guys gonna put your statement, and then that's going to be your statement 1, and then you guys needs to put else, and then you guys going to put your statement 2. So that's your statement 1. If you have passed the test, what happens if the user did not get a 50? So if it's less than 50, then we're gonna put another one. So the first one is that you guys going to see this one as a keyword, and the second one is going to see that, keep in mind you guys need to put your comparison here, boolean, whatever boolean here, and then you guys need to put your colon. So if you guys don't put your colon, it's not going to work. And keep in mind you guys do your indentation, and as I said to you guys, it's going to be somewhere like that. So this is indentation because this is in comment, and that's why it don't, because I put it inside the comment. That's why you guys don't see the indentation, but you guys need to put your indentation. And then you guys going to put another indentation here, and then the last one you guys need to put indentation. This is indentation. You guys look at here, from here to here there's 4 spaces here. That's pretty acceptable for Python. Otherwise it's not acceptable because Python is going to give you guys error. But if you guys don't follow the indentation, you guys going to have a hard time with Python, and I guarantee that Python is going to be extremely angry. And so that's our keyword here, and that's our keyword. And every time you guys are going to put the keyword, you guys need to put a colon here, keep in mind. Alright, so now we're going to put a else, and I'm going to show you have passed the test, and I'm going to come here, and when you guys going to put an else, and you guys going to see that my if is there, and I'm going to put else, and I'm going to put a colon, and I'm going to put my print. And what happens with my print, I'm gonna, because I'm doing the string, you have passed, you have failed the test. And keep in mind, failure is not the end. Failure is something that you guys makes you guys strong. So don't see that if someone's gonna pass some sort of test and you guys failed because you guys are useless. No, the reason you guys failed because then it's gonna be real test for you guys to go and improve. So you guys gonna try again, and failure, every time you guys fail, and it's gonna take you one step closer to your success. So failure is good, it's not a bad thing. Okay, so we're gonna put you have passed your test, and then if what happens if you don't take the, let's say 50, then you're gonna fail. So now we're gonna come here and we're gonna see our statement. So now we're gonna put a say 30, and you're gonna see that our else is gonna be in action. So then the second statement is gonna come in, as I said to you guys before. Then you guys, so this guys here is a keyword, so make sure you guys could put your keywords. You guys gonna see that's a straight line, and there's a 4 spaces here, but the keywords needs to come here very close to the edge. So it's number, whatever, number 1 or 0, whatever you guys gonna think. There is a straight line here, and it should be there, and you got the print's gonna be here like a 4 spaces. Is very acceptable for Python. And once you do the large scale programming, Python is gonna do the indentation for you guys automatically. So how we gonna we're gonna make another program and we're gonna see how our number is even or odd. So you guys gonna come here and we put a say x, for example, and our x, we put an input, and we're gonna ask the user enter your number. Okay, so we're gonna ask the user enter your number, and we're gonna test if the number is even or the number is gonna be odd. Okay, so you guys gonna see here I did not put an int because I was waiting for you guys. So you guys gonna tell me I need to put an int here because I'm asking for the number, and I'm gonna put if my x is you guys gonna put a percentage modulo 2. If that's gonna be 0, then we're gonna put a print, and then I'm gonna show you guys different so if that's gonna be 0, our modulo is gonna be, the remainder is gonna be 0, then it's gonna be, it means it's gonna be even number. So you're gonna put an x, and we're gonna put an f here. Keep in mind is even, so your number is even, we're gonna put a 2, and then what happens with the else? Then we're gonna put an else. What happens if the numbers, whatever the number the user put it is not a, say we're gonna put a print, and then you keep in mind you guys gonna put this as a placeholder. You guys, you gotta put your variable here is odd number, is not even. So even number, our even number, our odd number. Okay, so now you guys need to put an F here, and now we're gonna test our program whether our program is okay. So we're gonna put enter your number, and we're gonna put here if the number is even number. So here you guys gonna do that's keywords, and that's a if, and now we're gonna put an else, and that's how we're gonna find out if our number, whatever the user put a number, if that number is even or odd. So we're gonna run control flow. Say for example we're gonna put a 1, and you guys gonna see that our program is working perfectly because it's saying that the 1 is odd number. How the 1 is gonna come here is because of this one. This is called placeholder. You guys gonna see that it's quickly brackets. Then you guys need to put this one, because whatever you guys gonna put here inside the here, which is this one, it's gonna put inside the x. So now we're gonna come here and we're gonna put the x is modulo 0, modulo 2, and then if it's gonna be say 0, then we're gonna put a print, the number is even, then we put else, the number is odd. Very easy. So you guys needs to run, like we're gonna run again, and say we put a for example we put a 40, and you guys gonna see that Python is very quick. For 40 is even number. Or if you guys gonna say any number, you guys gonna put a say 101. Say now we're gonna put a 101, and 101 is odd number. So the Python, because of this guy here, because of this if. Alright, so now we're gonna see the string, how we're gonna put it with the string. So for the string, you guys need to remove this, and you guys need to remove this, you guys need to remove this f, you guys need to remove, and now we're gonna say for example x and y. So if you want to put a y, for example, some sort of string, so if you want to put a wood, and now we're gonna put enter whatever your number, or enter your string, and now we're gonna compare x and y. If y, say for example x, if y is equal to x, it means your string is wood, for example. Then we're going to say your string is not wood. For example, we have a y here, and you guys gonna see this one. Now we didn't put an int, we didn't put a float. Now we're gonna compare. If, then you're gonna be string is wood, otherwise your string is not wood, for example. Okay, so now we're gonna see if our so we're gonna see our enter your string. So we're gonna put a, say for example, wood, and your string is wood because it's comparing this, whatever we're gonna put it inside the x is comparing the x and y. So we're gonna run again. Okay, so we're gonna put a, for example, we're gonna put a yes Danny, for example, and your string is not wood. So because it's the if and else is working. If you're looking here, that's if, and that's else. The if they're working, then the Python is gonna check if this wood is equal to whatever string you guys putting, and it says no, you guys not putting, and it says your string is not wood. Alright guys, this is for this video. If you have any question or comment, leave in the comment box. Otherwise, I'll see you guys in the next video, and bye.